one. So here, the common mistake that learners make with this, you've probably done it also, is some learners divide both sides by 4x. It happens quite a lot. Divide both sides by 4x, okay? Divide by 4x, divide by 4x, and then you say they cancel out, and you get x equal to, they cancel out, x is equal to 4. That happens a lot, but that's not right. Okay, don't do that. That's wrong, because then you take away one of your solutions if you do that. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so what you're supposed to do with one like this is, if it's 4x squared equal to 16x, again you take it over. 4x squared minus 16x equal to 0. And then you take a common factor, 4x, x minus 4. So we take out the common factor from both of them, put it in the front, and therefore 4x is equal to 0 or x minus 4. So either 4x must be 0 or the bracket x minus 4 must be 0. And then when you divide by 4, you get x is equal to 0, and here you get x is equal to 4. So you have two solutions, not just one solution. Okay, so have a look at that one.